Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best liquid cement crack filler is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any homeowner or DIY enthusiast looking to tackle those unsightly cracks in concrete surfaces, from driveways and sidewalks to patios and garage floors, offering a quick, effective, and long-lasting solution that can restore the integrity and appearance of your property with minimal effort and maximum impact, making it an indispensable item in your home repair arsenal. Number 5. Red Devil 0645 Concrete Repair Patch. Tired of cracks and breaks in your concrete? Our pre-mixed formula makes repairs simple and effective. This product dries to a light to medium gray color, blending seamlessly with most concrete shades. Enjoy a permanent solution that won't shrink or crack. It offers maximum flexibility for lasting results. Whether you're working inside or outside, this repair patch is suitable for all your needs. Cleanup is a breeze. It easily washes away with soap and water. Plus, it's proudly made in the USA. What we like. This product offers a convenient premixed formula for easy application. It dries to a light gray, blending well with lighter concrete surfaces and won't shrink or crack, ensuring a permanent repair. If you have lighter colored concrete and want a hassle-free, durable fix, this is a great choice. What people say. It worked great for filling cracks in my concrete driveway. This filler is easy to apply and dries quickly. The crack filler sealed the cracks effectively and prevented water from seeping in. Number 4. DAP Concrete and Mortar Filler and Sealant, Gray. Introducing a high-performance, latex-based sealant designed for your concrete and masonry projects. It's perfect for repairing cracks and holes. This sealant is formulated with silicone additives, providing excellent adhesion and superior water resistance. It ensures a durable and long-lasting repair. Whether you're working indoors or outdoors, this product is suitable for both applications. It offers flexibility for all your repair needs. Achieve a seamless look after application. It is paintable, allowing you to match it with your existing surfaces. Cleanup is a breeze with simple water. This makes the entire repair process convenient and hassle-free. Get a convenient pack of 3 for all your repair needs. This ensures you have enough product on hand for multiple projects. What we like. This high-performance sealant features silicone additives for superior adhesion and water resistance. It's paintable, allowing for a seamless finish after application. If you need a robust repair that can be easily integrated into your existing paint scheme, this option is ideal. What people say. It worked great for filling cracks in my concrete driveway. The filler dried quickly and was easy to apply. I was able to repair a large crack in my patio with this product. Number 3. DAP Liquid Cement Crack Filler. Introducing a ready-to-use formula perfect for repairing horizontal cracks in concrete, both indoors and outdoors. It's designed for your convenience. This self-leveling cement filler dries to a gray color, ensuring it matches and blends beautifully with your existing concrete surfaces. Get your concrete repairs done quickly. They are ready for traffic in just 30 to 45 minutes, allowing for fast project completion. Using it is incredibly easy. Simply shake the container and pour for a hassle-free application process. Once dry, this versatile filler can be painted over with either latex or oil-based paints, giving you a perfect finishing touch. What we like. Its self-leveling formula makes it incredibly easy to use, just shake and pour. This filler dries quickly, allowing for traffic in as little as 30 to 45 minutes, speeding up your project completion. If you're looking for a quick, effortless repair for horizontal cracks and want to get your area back in use fast, this is the one. What people say. This product is a great solution for filling cracks in concrete. It dries quickly and creates a strong, durable bond. The filler is easy to apply and adheres well to the surface. Number 2. UGL Drylok Masonry Crack Filler, 2-pack. Introducing the UGL Drylok Masonry Crack Filler. This powerful formula is designed to seal and waterproof cracks in various concrete surfaces. It effectively replaces cracked mortar joints and dries to match the natural color of concrete. You won't have to worry about it bleeding through. Need to paint over the repair? No problem. It can be painted immediately with latex paint, saving you time and effort. Application is a breeze, and cleanup is even easier, just use water. It adheres excellently, even to damp surfaces. Now identified with the trusted Drylok name, this acrylic product is fortified with silicone for superior performance. It's the reliable solution for your masonry needs. What we like. This product is designed to seal and waterproof cracks, even adhering well to damp surfaces thanks to its silicone fortification. It's easy to gun and provides excellent adhesion. If you're dealing with cracks in areas prone to moisture or need a reliable seal that works even in less than ideal conditions, consider this filler. What people say. This product is a lifesaver for filling cracks in concrete. It dries quickly and forms a strong, durable bond. Easy to apply and blends in well with the surrounding concrete. Number 1. Gray Concrete Crack Seal 946 ml. Introducing our Gray Concrete Crack Seal. It's a uniformly blended latex emulsion, specially designed to adhere to all horizontal concrete surfaces. This product is ready to use straight from the container, making repairs simple and effective. Application is a breeze with this crack seal. It flows exceptionally well into cracks, ensuring a thorough and complete repair. You won't have to worry about complicated mixing processes. Achieve a natural look with this sealant. It beautifully blends in with the natural color of concrete, so your repairs won't stand out. Enjoy a durable solution for your concrete surfaces. This product is ideal for repairing cracks in concrete sidewalks and patios. Its specialized formula ensures a strong bond and long-lasting results. Don't let cracks diminish your driveway's appeal. Our concrete crack seal is perfect for driveways, providing a reliable and easy-to-apply solution. Get yours today in a convenient 946 ml size. What we like. This ready-to-use latex emulsion flows exceptionally well into cracks, making application simple. It blends naturally with the color of concrete, providing an unobtrusive repair. If you need an easy-to-apply filler for sidewalks, patios, or driveways that blend seamlessly with your existing concrete, this is a perfect fit. What people say. This product is a great solution for filling cracks in concrete. It is easy to apply and dries quickly, creating a strong and durable bond. The filler is also paintable, allowing for a seamless repair that blends in with the surrounding surface. I was impressed with how well this liquid cement crack filler worked on my driveway. It effectively sealed up all the cracks and crevices, preventing further damage from water and ice. The application was straightforward, and the results were professional looking. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.